am a Muslim, the things I say, in everything I do every day. We are Muslims, the things we say, in everything we do every day. Ooh, Bismillah, ooh, Alhamdulillah, ooh, Bismillah, ooh, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. I am a Muslim and thus I know I need to eat so that I will grow. We are Muslims and thus we know we need to eat so that we will grow. When we eat we say Bismillah. When we full we say Alhamdulillah. When we eat we say Bismillah. When we full we say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Water, juice and milk, these I think are so delicious for me to drink. Water, juice and milk, these we think are so delicious for us to drink. When we drink we say Bismillah. When we're done we say Alhamdulillah. When we drink